On tonight's video, I'm going to show you how to jumpstart your Kia Niro. So this one's over at the charging station. What's going on with it? Is it? It's a what? Uber rental? Alright, I'm going to use the NOCO GB150 jump box. You can get this in the link in the description. You keep what now?
I think something happened here. That was quite a miracle because I plugged it in.
So, yeah, we're just gonna finagle this cable in there like this here. You can see the little positive connection back there. Just clamp onto that, and the negative there. Yep. See, our battery is definitely dead. It's only got 5.8 volts.
It's got a way that if you want to open it.
Oh, I don't have to. I got right to it. Just clamping like that. You can go ahead and start it.
Last time. Yeah.
Hey, what?
He couldn't connect it right last time.
He couldn't connect it right last time? Yeah, all you got to do is just slide it in under the cover. Just go ahead and start it. It should start right up for you. It's on? Oh, it's ready to drive? Okay. Alright, well there you go. And then we'll just turn the jump box off. Disconnect the cables. Pretty simple and easy. There you go. That's how to jumpstart your Kia. There you go. That's how to jumpstart your Kia Niro. If you want one of these jump boxes, check it out in the description. And don't forget to like, tag, follow, share, comment, all that good stuff. And you'll see me on the next one. Bye now.